Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up amidst us to deliver a sermon for their counseling. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O people, verily you will be assembled on the resurrection day, barefooted, in the nude and uncircumcised. The Holy Quran says, as we made it first, we shall restore it. This is a promise on us. We shall necessarily do it. Surah Al-Anbiya verse 104. Herein on the resurrection day, the first one to be clothed will be Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Herein verily some of the men of my ummah will be brought, and they will be held from the left side. I will say, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, they are my companions. So it will be said, you do not know by conjecture what innovations they introduced after you. I will thereupon say, as the pious bondsman Hazrat Isa alayhi salam said, and I know of them as long as I remained in them. Then when you took me up, then you were the watcher over them, and everything is present before you. If you punish them, they are your bondsmen, and if you forgive them, then undoubtedly you are only the dominant, the wise. Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 117 and 118. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it will be then said to me, since you departed them, they kept on retreating on their heels. The report of Waqi and Mu'adh says that it will be said to him, you do not know by conjecture what innovation they introduced after you. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7130.